Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan. Today we bring you major update on three key national stories. First, the ongoing treason trial of Dr. Riek Machar, which has shaken government operation and caused serious disruption in parliament. Second, the legal battle inside the courtroom over evidence in the case as both prosecution and defense team argue over what should and should not be allowed. And third, the National Legislative Assembly has finally passed the long-awaited National Youth Development Policy 2025 aimed at empowering young people across South Sudan. Before we proceed with this story, if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, please hit the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any our update. Let's begin with our top story. Machar treason trial disrupt parliament work. The high-profile treason trial of suspended first by President Dr. Riek Machar has entered its fourth week, and it is now affecting government business, particularly the work of parliament here in Juba. The trial taking place inside Freedom Hall has drawn large crowd of journalists, diplomats, and the public, but the heavy security road closure and checkpoint around the area have made it hard for lawmakers and citizens to move freely across the capital. The Speaker of the Transitional National Legislative Assembly, Honorable J. Manunu Kumba, earlier expressed her frustration about how the court session have interfered with parliamentary work. She said the assembly often failed to reach quorum because many MPs, members of parliament, are delayed by the security restriction and roadblock. This week, during extraordinary sitting, Second Deputy Speaker Parmena Awerial Along confirmed that Parliament normal schedule has been completely disrupted. What we are following is not our normal day of sitting, he told lawmaker. You have seen the court session have interrupted all our sitting. So we are not going according to the normal procedures. Normally, Parliament sits 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But those are the same day that the Machar trial is held. Because of that, members of Parliament have been forced to move one of their sitting to Thursday just to keep up with the urgent business. Lawmakers say this is not sustainable as it clashes with committee meeting and other government program. The trial president over by Judge James Alala Deng involved Machar and 7 co-accused, facing charges of treason, crime against humanity, and mass murder and terrorism. The charges are connected to a March 2025 attack on an army base in Nasser County, where General David Majudak and several soldiers lost their lives, and many North civilians, including children, women, and elderly, were also targeted using helicopter, and incendiary weapons were used against them. The government claimed that forces loyal to Dr. Machar, SPLMIO, and local militia known as the Nuerwa Army were behind the attack. In response, Machar supporters insist that the accusations are politically motivated and aim at silencing the opposition ahead of the upcoming elections. Civil society leaders are also raising concern. Edmund Yakani, executive director of the Community Empowerment for Progress organization, reported that the heavy deployment around Freedom Hall is affecting not only parliament but also public movement and local business in Juba. Yakani suggests that the government should move the trial to a different location, he said. There are multiple places in town that can be used for this court trial apart from Freedom Hall. The ongoing security restrictions are disturbing ordinary citizens and blocking access to important public offices. Authorities, however, say Freedom All was chosen because of the Mudriya Court was too small to host the large number of accused persons, lawyers, journalists, and observers attending the proceeding. And so as the court continue to sit 3 days a week, the impact is being felt not just in Parliament but across Juba city. On Wednesday, October 15, we are now moving to battle over evidence in Machar court case. And on Wednesday, October 15, the special court handling Machar case held its 10th session. A tense day marked by a legal argument over the admissibility of key evidence. Machar lead defense lawyer Dr. Gary Raimondo Lege challenged the court authority, saying it is 1 month mandate at expired on October 8. The defense argued that the court was operating illegally and that all proceedings after that date were invalid. But presiding Judge James Alala Deng dismissed the motion. He extended the court mandate until the trial concludes, saying that justice must continue without interruption. During the Wednesday hearing, the defense also objected to the use of mobile phones seized from the accused at the time of arrest. They say the phones were taken without warrant, a clear violation of the South Sudan Constitution and the 2018 and the 2008 Criminal Procedure Act. Defense lawyer argued that the device should not be used as evidence, calling the search unlawful, but prosecutor insists the phone were illegally registered as exhibit, saying they contain vital communication record linking the accused to the attack in Nasser. Judge Deng overruled some objection and admit 13 out of 16 exhibits, including a laptop, belonged to Dr. Riek Machar, several mobile phones and 3 weapons, 2 rifles and 1 pistol allegedly belonged to Brigadier General Camilo Ganmichael, one of the co-accused. The court noted that Brigadier General Camilo denied owning the weapon. Another update from the same hearing revealed that one of the accused had undergone an appendix surgery while in custody, and the judge thanks the security force and medical team for ensuring proper treatment. The presiding judge also warned both parties, prosecution and defense, to avoid unnecessary delay, saying the court will proceed day after day until all evidence is presented. According to the judge's new order, hearing will continue every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, the same day Parliament usually sits, which further complicates the assembly schedules. Today, Friday, October 17, 2025, the court resumed its next session at Freedom Hall, where the focus will remain on examining the admitted exhibit and hearing from prosecution witness. The 8 accused standing trial are Dr. Riek Machar, 10, 73 years old, Potkang Shol, 40, Mampal Dor, 70, Gadwi Lampoy, 66, Lieutenant General Gabriel Dovlam, 53, Camilo Ganmichael, 47, Mading Yakrik, 45, Dominic Gadgokrik, 27. These are some of the most senior political and military figures from Machar camp. Observers say this case is one of the most politically sensitive trials in South Sudan history, a test of the country's justice system and its ability to handle cases involving top leaders. Our third top story: Parliament passes the National Youth Development Policy. This is good news. Despite disruption from the ongoing court session, lawmakers have managed to pass one major piece of legislation this week: the National Youth Development Policy 2025. The policy was first introduced in 2013, discussed again in 2018, and finally passed this Saturday morning after a year of review and debate. The policy aimed to give South Sudanese youth a strong voice in national development, politics, and peace building. It also focused on giving young people better access to education, vocational skill, entrepreneurship training, and health awareness, including issues like reproductive health, drug abuse, and gender equality. According to Parliamentary Committee on Youth and Sport, The new policy seeks to create a legal framework to protect and empower youth, promote peace and security through youth participation, encourage technical and vocational training to reduce unemployment, support entrepreneurship program through the Youth Enterprise Development Fund, and strengthen the capacity of the Ministry of Youth and Sport to handle youth issues effectively. During the parliamentary debate, members disagreed over the age definition of youth. Some MPs suggested 15 to 35 years, while others proposed 18 to 45 years. After a long discussion, lawmakers finally agreed on 18 to 45 years, aligning with the Child Act of 2008. The committee also recommended that 20% of all government positions at every level, legislative and executive, be reserved for young people. 10% of the national budget go directly to youth, programs like Sports Center, Enterprise Fund, and Community Project. And 0.05% of non-oil revenue be set aside for implementing the new policy. Deputy Speaker Honorable Parmena Awerial Along presided over Thursday sitting. He praised the lawmaker for finally passing the long-awaited policy after more than a decade of delay. He said, "This policy will help us invest in our young generation, the strength of our nation. If we empower them today, they will build a peaceful and prosperous South Sudan tomorrow." Youth leaders across the country have welcomed the move, calling it a positive step toward giving young people real opportunity to participate in leadership and nation building. As of today, October 17, 2025, Juba remain on high alert. Freedom for all continue to host the Treason trial of Dr. Machar, while the National Assembly struggle to adapt its schedule to keep the government running. Observers say the situation highlights how political and judicial process can overlap and affect daily governance in South Sudan. Civil society groups continue to call for calm and transparency, while citizens offer justice and above all peace. You are watching Changfied News, and if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Biakamal jo balat guasa me bana racha katin content lat karodian. Jojo gwan wonena anwale ba look Dr. Machar ba je continue bana ler me ban jelinga gwa ki latin challenge gwas me to kon gler shup ko dokti go liang to derande jidara palpingije. Ba right ke kwid Dr. Machar bana right ka jom inshallah netin content ka parliament and go look down look at Dr. Machar chelatin kon lat ka parliament che ka yar. Nyo gwat me bana nyo murai kon te ko ngon mi shangun me gwa ka kwing wani ko dong de ngwan de ka lanyam re wi ka South Sudan ko ngwana sha ka pel ko gwa me ber shiku me shadir ka bana ka linka de tin kana to ka Machar lugundan loka jere which ka Juba bana me banya kula to ka ta dana chalat ka je kwar ngu cha parliament la de chaje de kapchong ke chaje yar ata danen la Dr. Machar nang ko gwalo ka je chala do ne la first by President Dr. Machar lugudan loka je cha chop ka jokan ngwandien no entama chala de jikumen ke je parliament no jen yere business ni ka jan she lat kum ba cha ga yar non shit ke lada nyam wacha yara lat parliament wa antama china mala shupon tam gwada danen walat waja latin ko misharing Machar cha lugde chaja tok lar di alaka ke chongre which wona ko china mal chu gunten kon tin wugaten ko security la ja chalat ken wana mo ke libere di alwo yo gagrar en luga me lat ke je ka freedom wall re wi ke Juba Chanete ngwana long jaga jako bikana liangten journalist diplomat public ne ideal ka nyok en rewich la je chwa moje ke security midire long ke gang ka la dub to ngwala ka ga ke la check point di albo la ka kap ko chong ke goto ko la torbiel kan chung la torbiel de la kap ko chong ka torbiel de tonne la ke check point de to kan goto ko na ko la walet ke ja chirene de kon la ji parliament ne de content la members of parliament la MP chicken mala chup Gwalat. She Speaker Dung Transitional National Legislative Assembly Honorable Jema Nunu Kumba she ladenene anu teme chabaja lungo no an lugo dan lok re which ka South Sudan ka Juba ka freedom all jan chalet ngwan lum chaka kapchong chet ka let parliament work chaka kapchong ajani teme champion ni chikan mala shuban time ka qui security ka kon which cha ngwan cha ka restrict ke cha ka kapchong telem le long honorable Jema Nunu Kumba shekula do nena teme shabaja mat koko jani antama tidial gor jano benega nyomrial ne kaka ko chate dia chaka disrupt gen trial and lat ka Juba kaka kan la kan lana won ka shanka kel ala Monday bugalet ka Wednesday ka bugalet ka Friday jani kanin dang dok rotine kanin kona chakula kan ne to kontila jilok ki judges kanen tama trial dun Dr. Machar ke luka Dr. Machar la jawiya to ka chikan lat ka chanka ka jelat chanka dokan chanka die ala Monday Wednesday Friday janen tama jelat ko dial cheka yar je honorable che jelat janen tama chine lat parliament ka chine nang ka chanka ngwan la Thursday jan changa dan beneti dial ne ka let ke je konin dang dok to tera ne le ka gan dial chala dial to cha kana ne to kontila jingone kajo yakan lat guasme jani che nyingo dial che ka tuk chine ka tuk ko cha mine wone ka jano yo china ba malu nyur jani no mo chele dial che kapchong en lugu dan lokare which ka Juba jajje misalala deng gwal mi lugu Dr. Machar kanane kadang barotin kontin cha gwany no kan ne ton kan dial la kana ka gwalok kana me kore dana chituok ka paidok ka jaron kin dangro jandang re dich gwaze shikur je tok tan kana Sir County me cha general David Maju dak cha janektin ka cha dini to ko ken ba cha na ka cha nure ba la nure waya mi cha kana ka cha gat kana men cha ka wang kuma kirma yadid ki government helicopter one mo chicken chemical ken se diare chemical chicken ka yakwi nat kerenyal gwan mi chaga lokte ne je Uganda ke UPDF no che gat wan chakana ka che men chakana je lugo mo lokomone tama cha da kuma cha cha yu gwan no jen e jaramandana te kelin ken wer wayami e kenetin content to ko kor ke nyin ka SSP diabre wichin winami of course Dr. Machar supporter many dialog even international community commission me chikana condemn no ne me she talk but wa ne me mutually politically motivated ki siyasa me gorgen ba Dr. Machar ba je dilien ke je lo man chalat wa she talk but do mi mo gorgen bare Machar ba yen ke je ci Dr. Machar no chayu kep ko bomre wichin winami cha chu yen ga jen paidio ko dana ci korche to ga je chuman tama jen mo ko te ka court ki gwalo kan tama ko ile look civil society leader Wude Shalkain Mun Yakani executive director of the Community Empowerment for Progress organization mutual sepo chela do ne che reporter jaga jogo no ne janata danen sha din tungwan chagalat gwab dan ti ka freedom wall ajane jak parliament ko chawlet ke chaka bulat ka jak ne tungwan local business re wi ke Juba ko chicken bulat ko teram no ka jal ko ken dub dial shaka gak shek point shaka gak so teram jen so no mo wa chalet kon lat kare which no cha ka gak chaka jako chalet chaka bulat shen mun yakane shekulat no ne suggestion mi chetup jana de kuma government they can look me they can nangwara dien ka different location ko shejen freedom all karwade de latina de nangwara dien do no kuma chikan meg ni jen freedom all mo ko te darwich ano kan te goto ngwante ka tinte de la to de latin shema freedom all no kontem and insecurity ray we could Juba restriction of movement me your business it is interrupting business, it is interrupting the parliamentary session, so kujamo de deal nangwara dien kana ko antika longa la authorities tikala do ne kana freedom wall jen dual dini jen mishina wona ka mudiri ya court wajena motor long chene tun wan cheka de long shit kaneten kona ya gwan shit ka lawyery ne kona different lawyery journalist ni kan observer written content wogwich ne kona wa look waje gwich kanisha ka de long ano chene ti cheka de long ki rom de na long so ku jamo shi gan la ron me shabu gwa jen malak ka ja jen freedom mall ka jamo ko long ne dial ki ko ne dial ko ka accommodate ka jo dan shi kana lat chana work te ko ne shalat ka shenge dan ko che jojo nu en walle ka shanka wal baro me ka pai wel ron kin dan ro jan dan ro wi de die dar ma char ba je nang dol wakan walle kana je kware ka shanga doke Wednesday October 15 e dan no la special court te ten loka dar ma char shi ka chup ka shangan walen this mark a 10th day marked by legal argument over the admissibility of key evidence. Marwal natin gwa me key evidence ke kwakten chanyu danu inyo to chi dakma char chi involve ka tai dan chkor che toka ja. Machar lead defense lawyer Dr. Gere Raimondo share court che challenge ka ta dan en kuken court kuken case kuken handle ka ja. Shala do ne en shenge dana changun pai kel karwade to ka shanga badak ka pai bangwan we ka shanga badak ka pai well janun that duration ajan de court hearing dara to ko jamone share court ga jogono ne antam cooperate illegally kana me tindi allat kan tam kan ke jane ke invalid ke shikan waka manan lat ke ko shi look at talk nona dundo che judge misala la de ramadan kulu ko la che dismiss ki che la no che motion mo che de wo jani court ba won yam ki lugu me ba won yam amen mi che talk and lugu mane cha jabu kap chong ko te ka mandate mi changun ne jante dial bu wo amen mi shi ngot chi ka talk ke cha luk cha je tuk men me cha all the evidence cha kangun na ba lugu ma ba ko ngok telo to cha ngun pai kel but ka lawyer Dr. Machar kenetin kontelat kel wona ka ngot dundo chi James alala deng ala judge chala do shejan na me ba won yam ba proceed na shukan ulara je no to ko ka Monday wo ka Wednesday ka Friday kenin dang jok ba lugul ba ja lo ka men mi ti dial chi ka tok katin content right now jodian and wale ni ga jen chang wel die dan ken ku telephone ken computer ti ko ne shakap no gwan mabo kan telephone ko na shakap men computer ki mai ko ken wa shakap ka ken ne ko nin chayin ga dar mu charkel dala do ba tandien kap ka domi motel warrant ke tele warga ma chagor ba kul ngaje no ken kap ke kwi ko ken shi ke dor shi kan lat ko jin mu waje ke la warga la ja gwar ke an warga mon jen bina kulo gu jodo mo yo mi cha chu je no cha gor kuma ba ni kuna to ba kul ke bat court tel warga mi shi ken realika without warrant cha ne wa cha a clear violation of South Sudan Constitution and the 2008 Criminal Procedure Act. Different lawyer she can larno can identity de delpel no ko titi can lawful and search ki do bran chana cha ko gor ka je ki wani ken wa kep ka je kan tele jare ngone cha jo mo cha jala dundo ci judge deng she overrule chala do no tele mi shall objection but Rave then it will buckle cha present la 16 exhibit cha 13 exhibit cha accept judge kan to content cha accept kan kiten cha no kan laptop dung da kan Machar kan mobile to one mobile phone ke me dang jok te cha kep two rifle kan one pistol te kap ka Brigadier General Camilo Ganmai kel of course Brigadier General Camilo che look janna me kat ke cha plan ke cha lat gwal dan taten te le te shirka return jo mo che jalat abdel radian gwas me no do badane cha ramkel ka ne Dr. Machar te cha yen ramkel mo wa cha janang cheng ko jente correct ka appendix surgery wa cho cheng cha national security service cha ka thanks ko they allow him no be medical bajosik rar ka boy right ke shemane ba menemi si don mo chagwa ba chala do si bode chala bon mo gwa ko charger re gwa tel complicated issues to gwa dan lat ke surgery ten si judge si lojen te ba ko si ka corporate ka kujamo Ke jan wale ka Friday October 17 2025 cha jojo no cha luko mo cha nyoko mo ba janyor en yurmen cha luki ba janyor ke janet kone agwan dakre ma cha teten te guru ni jan baro ide jok pot kang chol te guru ni jan ngwan mam pal dor ni jan jod baro garu lam po te guru ni jan bakel Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam te guru ni jan di jude jok Camilo Gan Michael te guru ni jan ngwan ide baro mading yakrik terun jan ngwan ide diech Dominic Gad Gokrik terun jan dang rod baro kane de tini ne dang bada kane de kone sha gwan tindi kel ka Dr. Machar ka tire ti jenen tam tiloka ne de tini ke senior political ka ke military figure bo ne de ngaike ka kuma spela yu rei wik ka South Sudan kelio na me jo mishalat me de yen lengo non wala ba na mo ba jalat ko ba lugmo ba jaluk lero dien mugor de konaling senate kontil la jukuma ala parliament take michigan realeka take ngot kel michigan yapin national youth development policy and ngwane de ko laniam kan shi ka nyur ka kwi ngwane rewit ka South Sudan national youth development policy no kanen shang ne man cha code ki luk cha je tugre wi ki Juba no she dubdial che ka yar she parliament session che je disrupt kanen cha ngot kel cha je yat pin mi cha lat ke kana tuk and policy che kana realika no wa mi cha tuk ne ke ron ken dang redwel jok ke kwin ngane anu ka chanyo talk ba ke 2018 anu ke jan Thursday pai wa kurun wang anu cha dung ngane cha nyo mu ke ja an gwad mo cha ngane cha ka mo ka bom ka bom dan cha kam ke chala do South Sudan youth anu bi ke yik te ka jaw ka national development bi ke te ka jaw ka politics bi ke te ka jaw ka peace building anu ke gwan mali ko no ne kan ngane cha ka gagrar wa ben focus me michale be ngwane be ko mo ko bi kan dul gorka bi kan jek ba kan ngej bi ka training bi kan ga jek anyo ba kan bi ka la entrepreneurship training bi kan skill kan bi kan ka upgrade nyok bo bi kan te ka health awareness including issue like reproductive health, drug abuse and gender equality kan all these things and kon yar ka ngwane wa bi ka participate ke bi kan tin konen der luang ka kwi wuj bikan kalat ko nu won chaka gagrar ke tin ne wal cha gagrar kum chikan focus ka ngane kan invest kan ngane kan mo ka priority ano kan it motilla future dung South Sudan jo chalat gwa some according to parliamentary committee ka kwi ngane kan sport wa policy dan shangun jenene wa kan ngane ba ka dilgang ka ba ka empower ke ba ka mo ka luang wakan ngane panken ba ka use ko bikan they have to promote peace and security through youth participation and bikan mal bikan alare which ka bikan do dan na nyam ko je bikan ya ka ko cha la ko bikan participate nyok bone they have to encourage technical and vocational training to reduce unemployment wa ba kan nge ko biriudi and bikan kula jek ko ba ta dana chale cha je ba kula yotpin kan ba wa bikan entrepreneur bani ke bikan ga chak ka do ba kan nge ke je no wa kan ba bika bom ka jo dana chalat ko reality ke nyingwane ko ngwane kan cha wini wal no nyok te garunde chalat gwas me run la run ngwet ka tin chalat warun ngwet kada la run wal die ro ka run jande with the DH and on 15 to 35 and on parliamentary debate mishalat members disagreed take to one to kan Canadian LinkedIn ka ta dana de ran chol ga jen o jina jen wat ke jina jen yos chitana tikala ro ne shang wal ramit kurun wal die wo kurun jande with the DH ba chole ngwet anmo KMP za chilat duno jitan na tikan propose no ne rami mo ba cholen wat bala rami tike 18 years awu ka 45 years miti ke 18 wo ka 45 bijin la ngwet bijin la yos so ko kor mi chiga jen gwa da dan ku ga dibe lat kan man gwa ka kwin wani wa chi karudi na mat ko en mat ba yik del te karun dang wal badda ka wuka jen ngwanu de so miti karun wal badda ka wuka jen ngwanu de en gap mo keliu ba cholo no jen yos no wa mi cha par ka taye da ne cha ngo cha yat pinga je Machar shall act of 2008 so jen shall ngone mi tirun wal badda ka wukurun jen ngwanu de ba cholo no jen ngwet no no won cha de la do da nin run wal de wuka jen de gudu de bar ta mi kana nyoko use kana jok bala run wal badda ka wukurun jen ngwanu de no and that gap mo jiko bilen ngwade bugalatin de long kala ne mo agwa ala ngwada la use be chulat mi chi for sik chop ja tok ba chi chu jako jiram dit so chana me chare leka nyok men chare leka gwaz me ken gwaden chikan ko green o ngwad ba chol ngwad mi cherun wal badak wo ko run jen ngwanu de mi che chop te ga de cha ko recommend gwad me what 20% of all government position at every level, legislative and executive, be reserved for young people. Let kume take some position te wa ba kam ngwene no kan what kala de kon lat kan wa kaje wa ba ka kam ngwene what 20% ke ngwene gwadmene nyok cha nyok lado when 10% of the national budget go directly to use program like sports center, enterprise fund and community project. 10% ka national budget la yuri kona jika rewich wa ba kalat ka nyingwane shit ka ngwane program wi kona kure enterprise fund ko ter ngwala lat ka chika dob dana la ngwala ka ka je dong de tung de lep wa ba ka lukten ka nyok bana ba ka nyok luk community project 10% you top kan ka ngwane of course chika kure football basketball any kind of sport ba je take 10% ja kam ngwane ko ngai ke je en wo ke ngwane kan e team anyok te ga mi cha anyok tum no gwas me wa 0.05% kan non oil revenue wa ba ka ya le ka ba ka jen new policy mi dong te new policy mi chileben ba 0.05% of non oil revenue ba ka kam kan e totona deputy speaker honorable Parmena Awerial Alon jen chalado nene do be china nyur ga changwan no chalado no ba ngodti ba ka lalet ke chene diala kontin chungo chikan ga yale ka jene shamu galon ko shi nawo ka do mi gamu rode so jandan en ci to gono mone so en walle ka shanka wal baro me ron kin dang rawi jandang rawi de dech shang wal baro ko pay wal jan chang dana ba Dr. Machar ba lugde ba je to go ja so jo me der gwa en wo de yeneling and this brought us to the end of our report. For more update, please subscribe to Changfied on YouTube and follow our verified social media page for breaking news. So titi dialde biaka link ko de yenten kon lat ko de en ka link ane biata kamal chi pero jeno jen subscribe. Bye bye.